Top 5 zip codes by income, Alaska. Number 5, Anderson, 97,000. Number 4, Anchorage, 101,000. Number 3, Chujiak, 103,000. Number 2, Eagle River, 106,000. At number 1, Anchorage, 153,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Alabama. Number 5, Pike Road, 103,000. Number 4, Owens Crossroads, 105,000. Number 3, Morrisville, 109,000. Number 2, Birmingham, 110,000. At number 1, Birmingham again, 121,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Arkansas. Number 5, Etowah, 75,000. Number 4, Bentonville, 80,000. Number 3, Little Rock, 96,000. Number 2, Little Rock, 100,000. At number 1, Cave Springs, 107,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Arizona. Number 5, Scottsdale, 115,000. Number 4, Scottsdale, 115,000. Number 3, Scottsdale, 122,000. Number 2, Phoenix, 134,000. At number 1, Paradise Valley, Arizona, 136,000. Top 5 zip codes for income, California. Number 5, Danville, 186,000. Number 4, Alamo, 202,000. Number 3, Los Altos, 208,000. Number 2, Los Altos, 220,000. At number 1, Atherton, over 250,000. Top 5 zip codes for high income, Colorado. Number 5, Colorado Springs, 124,000. Number 4, Monument, 126,000. Number 3, Castle Rock, 132,000. Number 2, Arvada, 134,000. At number 1, Denver, 135,000. Top 5 zip codes for high income, Connecticut. Number 5, Westport, 178,000. Number 4, Wilton, 180,000. Number 3, Darland, 208,000. Number 2, Old Greenwich, 217,000. At number 1, Weston, Connecticut, 219,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Delaware. Number 5, Middleton, 102,000. Number 4, Odessa, 111,000. Number 3, Townsend, 125,000. Number 2, Hoxton, 144,000. At number 1, Wilmington, Delaware, 157,000. Top 5 zip codes, income, Florida. Number 5, Pompano, 121,000. Number 5, Key, Brisbane, 128,000. Number 3, Fort Lauderdale, 128,000. Number 2, Brighton Beach, 138,000. At number 1, Miami, 154,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Georgia. Number 5, Marietta, 108,000. Number 4, Roswell, 109,000. Number 3, Alpharetta, 127,000. Number 2, Tallulith Falls, 132,000. At number 1, Atlanta, Georgia, 148,000. Top 5 zip codes for income, Hawaii. Number 5, Kailua, 134,000. Number 4, Honolulu, 135,000. Number 3, Honolulu, 142,000. Number 2, Honolulu, 158,000. At number 1, Eva Beach, Hawaii, 192,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Iowa. Number 5, Van Meter, 106,000. Number 4, Cummings, 114,000. Number 3, Robbins, 120,000. Number 2, Cedar Rapids, 122,000. At number 1, Urbandale, Iowa, 130,000. Top 5 zip codes for income, Idaho. Number 5, Tetania, 68,000. Number 4, Boise, 70,000. Number 3, Boise, 70,000. Number 2, Eagle, 82,000. At number 1, Boise, Idaho, 85,000. Top 5 zip codes for income, Illinois. Number 5, Wayne, 132,000. Number 4, Highland Park, 137,000. Number 3, St. Charles, 138,000. Number 2, Deerfield, 141,000. At number 1, Naperville, Illinois, 143,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Indiana. Number 5, Fort Wayne, 108,000. Number 4, Indianapolis, 110,000. Number 3, Fishers, 111,000. Number 2, Carmel, 124,000. Number 1, Zionsville, Indiana, 128,000. Top 5 zip codes for income, Kansas. Number 5, Leawood, 74,000. Number 4, Lenexa, 88,000. Number 3, Overland Park, 96,000. Number 2, Leawood, 120,000. At number 1, Overland Park, Kansas, 132,000. Top 5 zip codes for income, Kentucky. Number 5, Lexington, 102,000. Number 4, Goshen, 109,000. Number 3, Louisville, 112,000. Number 2, Prospect, 135,000. At number 1, Glenview, Kentucky, over 250,000. Top 5 zip codes for income, Louisiana. Number 5, Baton Rouge, 86,000. Number 4, Prairieville, 88,000. Number 3, New Orleans, 90,000. Number 2, Geismar, 90,000. At number 1, Madisonville, Louisiana, 101,000. Top 5 zip codes for income in Massachusetts. Number 5, Sherborne, 170,000. Number 4, Sudbury, 170,000. Number 3, Wesley Hills, 187,000. Number 2, Dover, 204,000. At number 1, Waban, Massachusetts, 212,000. Top 5 zip codes for income in Maryland. At number 5, Boyd's, 166,000. Number 4, Clarksville, 182,000. Number 3, Bethesda, 185,000. Number 2, Bethesda, 192,000. At number 1, Potomac, Maryland, 203,000. Top 5 zip codes for income, Maine. At number 5, Sarsboro, 90,000. Number 4, North Yarmouth, 94,000. Number 3, Cape Elizabeth, 106,000. Number 2, Cumberland Center, 106,000. At number 1, Falmouth, Maine, 107,000. Top 5 zip codes for income in Michigan. Number 5, Huntington Woods, 125,000. Number 4, Northville, 133,000. Number 3, Novi, 138,000. Number 2, Bloomsfield Hills, 139,000. At number 1, Rochester, Michigan, 140,000. Top 5 zip codes for income in Minnesota. Number 5, St. Paul, 122,000. Number 4, Minneapolis, 126,000. Number 3, Eden Prairie, 131,000. Number 2, Victoria, 140,000. At number 1, Minneapolis, Minnesota, 167,000. Top 5 zip codes for income, Missouri. Number 5, Lee Summit, 111,000. Number 4, Kansas City, 124,000. Number 3, Glencoe, 125,000. Number 2, St. Louis, 144,000. At number 1, Chesterfield, Missouri, 160,000. Top 5 zip codes for income, Mississippi. At number 5, Olive Branch, 74,000. At number 4, McCall Creek, 76,000. At number 3, Brandon, 82,000. At number 2, South Haven, 96,000. At number 1, Madison, Mississippi, 104,000. Top 5 zip codes for income, Montana. Number 5, Big Sky, 83,000. Number 4, Colstrip, 85,000. Number 3, Clancy, 89,000. Number 2, Crane, 102,000. At number 1, Homestead, Montana, 133,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, North Carolina. Number 5, Oak Ridge, 108,000. Number 4, Davidson, 114,000. Number 3, Pope Army Airfield, 116,000. Number 2, Cary, 126,000. At number 1, Charlotte, North Carolina, 131,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, North Dakota. Number 5, Horace, 103,000. Number 4, Wheatland, 115,000. Number 3, Colfax, 115,000. Number 2, Hannah, 130,000. At number 1, Hansboro, North Dakota, over 250,000. Top 5 zip codes for income, Nebraska. Number 5, Papillion, 108,000. Number 4, Lincoln, 111,000. Number 3, Omaha, 122,000. Number 2, Lincoln, 133,000. And at number 1, Lincoln, Nebraska, 151,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, New Hampshire. Number 5, Hollins, 126,000. Number 4, Brookline, 127,000. Number 3, Bedford, 127,000. Number 2, Hampton Falls, 129,000. At number 1, Etna, New Hampshire, 168,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, New Jersey. Number 5, Montclair, 191,000. Number 4, Glen Ridge, 195,000. Number 3, Princeton Junction, 200,000. Number 2, Skillman, 201,000. At number 1, Short Hills, New Jersey, over 250,000. Top 5 zip codes for income, New Mexico. Number 5, Sandia Park, 84,000. Number 4, Corrales, 84,000. Number 3, Yetzo, 105,000. Number 2, Los Alamos, 110,000. At number 1, Albuquerque, New Mexico, 111,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Nevada. Number 5, Round Mountain, 93,000. Number 4, Spring Creek, 94,000. Number 3, Reno, 97,000. Number 2, North Las Vegas, 106,000. At number 1, Las Vegas, Nevada, 110,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, New York. Number 5, New Rochelle, 179,000. Number 4, Manhassa, 182,000. Number 3, Scarsdale, 186,000. Number 2, Chappaqua, over 250,000. At number 1, New York, over 250,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Ohio. Number 5, Westerville, 116,000. Number 4, Hudson, 120,000. Number 3, Powell, 122,000. Number 2, Galinda, 125,000. At number 1, Terrace Park, Ohio, 159,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Oklahoma. Number 5, Oklahoma City, 96,000. Number 4, Edmonds, 97,000. Number 3, Oklahoma City, 103,000. Number 2, Edmonds, 128,000. At number 1, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 172,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Oregon. Number 5, Banks, 100,000. Number 4, Lawrence, 101,000. Number 3, Oxbow, 103,000. Number 2, Portland, 108,000. At number 1, Lake Oswego, Oregon, 118,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Pennsylvania. Number 5, Wayne, 131,000. Number 4, Garnet Valley, 132,000. Number 3, Doylestown, 134,000. Number 2, Furlong, 141,000. At number 1, Chester Springs, Pennsylvania, 148,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Rhode Island. Number 5, West Greenwich, 102,000. Number 4, Cranston, 103,000. Number 3, Jamestown, 105,000. Number 2, Barrington, 117,000. At number 1, Sunderstown, Rhode Island, 133,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, South Carolina. Number 5, Mount Pleasant, 97,000. Number 4, Island of Palms, 102,000. Number 3, Charleston, 103,000. Number 2, Fort Mills, 107,000. At number 1, Sullivan's Island, South Carolina, 120,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, South Dakota. Number 5, Wentworth, 85,000. Number 4, Houghton, 86,000. Number 3, Crooks, 88,000. Number 2, Sioux Falls, 94,000. At number 1, White Owl, South Dakota, 104,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Tennessee. Number 5, Nashville, 114,000. Number 4, Franklin, 120,000. Number 3, Lookout Mountain, 124,000. Number 2, Brentwood, 128,000. At number 1, Germantown, Tennessee, 138,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Texas. Number 5, Bel Air, 172,000. Number 4, Houston, 180,000. Number 3, Southlake, 207,000. Number 2, Fulton, 236,000. At number 1, Houston, Texas, over 250,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Utah. Number 5, Park City, 104,000. Number 4, Draper, 110,000. Number 3, Alpine, 113,000. Number 2, Sandy, 113,000. At number 1, Park City, Utah, 118,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Virginia. Number 5, Vienna, 177,000. Number 4, Arlington, 180,000. Number 3, McLean, 190,000. Number 2, Fairfax Station, 204,000. At number 1, Great Falls, Virginia, 218,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Vermont. Number 5, Underhill, 98,000. Number 4, Shelburne, 100,000. Number 3, Lake Elmore, 103,000. Number 2, Norwich, 108,000. At number 1, Charlotte, Vermont, 117,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Washington State. Number 5, Snoqualmie, 133,000. Number 4, Mercer Island, 136,000. Number 3, Woodinville, 144,000. Number 2, Samish, 160,000. At number 1, Samish, Washington, 136,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Wisconsin. Number 5, Richfield, 103,000. Number 4, Colgate, 106,000. Number 3, Mequon, 107,000. Number 2, Elm Grove, 113,000. At number 1, Okauchee, Wisconsin, 115,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, West Virginia. Number 5, Shepherdstown, 85,000. Number 4, Thurmond, 85,000. Number 3, Surveyor, 86,000. Number 2, Dallas, 86,000. At number 1, Slayersburg, West Virginia, 95,000. Top 5 zip codes by income, Wyoming. Number 5, Gillette, 88,000. Number 4, Pinedale, 89,000. Number 3, Alpine, 93,000. Number 2, Alcova, 94,000. At number 1, Garnet, Wyoming, over 200